Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to enable or deny access to Downloads folder in Windows 10. So for this one, for you to be able to do this, you'll just need to go onto the settings of your device. So as you can see, we have already the settings currently on in here. And for us to be able to enable or deny the access of the Downloads folder, we'll just need to scroll down in here until we could find the privacy and security. Click onto that one. And here, onto its right side, we need to scroll down here onto the app permissions. So we need to find it in here, the downloads folder. So we're just going to click onto that one. By here, you should be able to see the downloads folder is access. So anyone using the device can choose if their app have access to their downloads folder when this is on. So you could toggle this on or off, or we have also in here the let apps access your downloads folder, which will choose which apps can access your downloads folder. You could just simply go ahead and toggle this off or on to go ahead and proceed. And that's just basically it onto how to enable or deny the access to downloads folder in Windows 10. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.